Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning Elsa doll birthday cake using a real Elsa doll. So let's get started. I've baked a delicious vanilla cake in advance using a 4-inch round pan and a 3-inch cone pan. Generously spread icing all over the cake, ensuring it's smooth and even. Insert skewers for support to hold the two cakes. This step is optional. You may choose to go ahead without inserting skewers. Smooth the buttercream to ensure it is smooth and even. After that is done, roll out blue icy fondant and drape over the cake. Now I'm cutting the skewers to ensure they are at the same level as the cake. Roll out your icing and drape over the cake. After that, cut out the excess fondant. We want to make sure our cake is clean and safe for eating, so we will go ahead and wrap the Elsa doll in a cling film. Wrap the parts that will come in contact with the cake in cling film. Then gently insert the wrapped Elsa doll into the center of the cake, making sure she stands upright. Cover her torso, her hands with fondant, and then make a cape round her neck. After dressing Elsa up, I moved her from the cake lifter to the fondant covered board. Then roll fondant again, and with a strip cutter cut out strips in 2 shades of blue, the sky blue and the royal blue fondant. Take a strip of fondant Attach it to the doll's waist with a dab of water. Then twist the strip, gradually working your way down. The fondant strips will resemble Elsa's flowing gown, adding a touch of elegance to our cake. Continue to attach strips of fondant all around the Elsa cake from the front to the back. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification so you can receive alerts when I upload new videos. Thank you. After you have gone round attaching strips of fondant to Elsa's dress, cut a strip of fondant and place around the waist for good finishing. Now it's time to celebrate and enjoy this delightful cake. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with friends and family. Stay tuned for more exciting cake decorating tips and ideas. Until next time, happy baking!